Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and today, guys, I'm giving you an exclusive. First time I have a Jamaican sister with me. It's her first time in the market, and as you know, family, we always come to the market, and I just want to see her reaction and everything that she can get here at the market. So, in this video, we're gonna share with you. This is my brother Peter. When I'm doing my vlog, I hire him to carry the luggage and stuff. So guys, let's go. Peter is here, sweetie.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Yeah, Peter.
How
so
was
we
the
have.
Christmas?
It was good. It was good. Let me give you the bags. It's on the front.
Oh.
Come over forward.
Hi, sister.
Yes, family. So let's go. This is how we do it in Kenya. The window is down. All right, let's go. Yeah, family. So we enter inside the market. One love and our Jamaican sister is back. So it's our first time in an African market. First time in the African market. The Jam Tours Africa with the market experience via Jam Tours Africa. So them have that's sugar apple right there, have sugar apple. Look straight ahead. We call it what? Sweet sap. Yeah, sweet sap. Yeah. Yeah. So today is a Friday and the market pack. Yeah, family, so we're here. So what you want over now? Yeah, orange. So we have orange. These mangoes ripe. What about watermelon? No watermelon. Alright. And papaya. Yeah, try papaya. See? And family, let me taste some by. Wow, so sweet. You want this one or this one? This one. You know them different. What we call this in Jamaica again? Artanique. Family, so the good things when you come with that, the person who carry for you, they actually know the right thing to pick. As you can see, he's picking the good one and the best one for you. So when you come to the market, then we can link up with Peter in the market, and he can take you along and show you along where to get the best produce. Tours, what you know about steamed fish and okra?
Why you just telling me?
Steamed fish and okra.
Okay.
They get so much. Yeah. Yeah, family. So, as I'm making this video and I'm looking out there, I see my Jamaican brothers want to come and create a Jamaican restaurant here in Kenya. This is the market, family. You come, you get everything here for your restaurant, wholesale price. Yeah, family. So we're here with our Jamaican sister and we're showing her the market for the first time. Yeah. All natural produce. This is some sweet sap. If you never taste sweet sap, it's a Jamaican thing. Sweet sap. What are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, family, so we're getting coconut. You want lime over, right?
Yeah.
Avocado. Alright.
This size.
Peter.
Yes.
They are there.
Do you like this size? This is dry.
How much for this one? Small one, right? Yeah, but I want it very dry because when it's not dry, it doesn't. Yeah, this small one is fine. Very dry. Yeah, families, I'm getting some dry coconut. You know, our Jamaican sister want to make her rice and peas. Yeah, so. Yeah, we're getting some dry, hard coconut.
How many?
Why you get like your move
Yeah, family, so I'm actually buying some of this plum. Red plum. It would be like cherry.
Yeah.
Cherry in Jamaica.
Cherry are from Jamaica.
Yeah, cherry. We have cherry in Jamaica.
Okay.
It's like cherry in Jamaica.
Acidity one.
No change. No change in the market. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, family. So we're at the pumpkin section. We have the squash. And we have arrowroot. This is the sweet potato, sweetie. You don't like them today? Plantain. So we actually at our jelly man. You know, I mean, our Jamaican sister will be sampling some fresh cut jelly today. Fresh cut jelly. Also gonna take a bottle. We're gonna take a bottle, one bottle.
One bottle.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah, family, this is for our Jamaican sister. Avo. Wash off your heart. Wash off your heart in Kenya. Pinch it. Pinch it. Wash off your heart. Yeah, family, our Jamaican sister washing off her heart while we get some authentic greens. Authentic greens. Wash off your heart. Coconut water to wash off your heart. We'll get the meat. Finish? Alright. It's jam to
Aye.
That's Miss Jam Tours. Yeah, give me another, give me two there. I can give Peter our brethren one. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, this is a nice one over. Sit there. Jamaican water for wash off your heart. Oh, you finish? Yeah. All right. Yeah, we want the meat. Just cut the meat, put it in the cup. Yeah, yeah. So obviously we have the wooden spoon. You have those already, yeah. Oh yeah, just full them up. But this is a good water for you to drink. If you can drink this like every day, trust me. You know what I mean? You know, it can do a lot for you. This is true hydration. True hydration. Yeah, this water actually processed by nature and come up. Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're actually waiting for the meat. Finish, Miss Jam Tours? Miss Jam Tours, finish. Get the meat. You want another one? Eh? Oh, garlic, yeah man. Nice garlic there. Okay, you can, okay. So our Jamaican sister getting some garlic while we're getting the meat. All the meat we eat is jelly meat. Hey, give me another one there, my brother.
Okay.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Alright. She buying garlic. Guys, really, come on. Can't do that.
So,
What? Yeah. Yeah, family. Another one for Miss Jam Tours. And another one.
Thank you.
Yeah, give me one there for myself. I'm not drink none yet. Me not drink none yet.
another one.
Yeah, for me, yeah.
You're not going
Yeah, family. So, Jam Tours, I wash off him out yet. And I have to wash it off. Wash it off now. No straw, no straw, no straw, no straw.
Sasa?
No straw. Jamaican style. Wow. Family, this is Jamaican bush style. We used to grow up in Jamaica. We used to actually climb the tree and pick jelly and drink it like this. Broke it with stone and drink it. Ja, you make this water and a man make it. Never process. It come from you. Yeah, family. So we're actually getting the meat. As you can see, we're getting the meat. Ooh. Getting the meat. Finish up this one, family. Finish up this one. Wow. Very nice. Yeah, family. Look at the meat. Jelly meat. Oh wow, it smells. Wow. It smells so nice. It's right there. Yeah, we smell the mint from afar. Smell that mint from afar. That mint. It stink, that mint. We're getting the real coconut meat in a professional cup. Wow, family, like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know. Still drinking with Jam Tours? Eh? Yeah, give you a little piece. Yeah, I'll take a little piece. It smells very nice though. It's Jam Tours and we drink tea.
It was smelling nice and we are like, what is that smelling like? Something warm?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll tell you.
Try sweetie. Yeah, there's something. Yeah, family. So, if you don't like, share, and comment on the video, I don't know. You're not ready to come back to Africa, and we are here showing you real and live thing, not from the tell live vision. We are the real live vision, not the tell live vision. So we are out while we continue to progress and move forward. Yeah, family. So we're actually going this way. So we're going to get some avocado. Peter's gonna take us to get avocado. So let's go. Let's go with Peter. If I'm gonna find some nice sweet potato, they're big and nice.
The big one. What is it?
The feeling sweet.
The pepper.
Yeah. Pepper.
Next week. The next week.
Yeah, family. Our Jamaican sister says she want jackfruit. So I'm gonna check out the spot to see if I find jackfruit. That spot. Check and see if there's any jackfruit. A lot of jackfruit. A lot of jackfruit. A lot of jackfruit. A lot of jackfruit. Yes, boss. Coming to check it for jackfruit soon. Coming. This is jackfruit family. She like. Maybe you can cut a nice one for us. Yeah, a nice one. Yeah, planting. Yeah, we'll get planting too. Alright, family. So, as you can see, we find the jackfruit. Right there, jackfruit. So first time eating jackfruit in Africa, in Kenya. Phone ringing, sweetie. Ring, 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 ring off, Miss Ellie. Jackfruit. Yeah, family, this is what we get. Yeah, family, so we actually finished with shopping right now. We still want to pass by another like street market, but it's fruit. This one is actually in the city, and if you're in the city and you want to actually get fruits and stuff, you can actually just drive through that one and get all what you need. So we're gonna show you what it's like. It's the Ingara market. So let's go. Ooh, come on. Wow. Look at the onion that has the thing on it, same way. So our Jamaican sister want to get the entire jackfruit. But as you know, jackfruit family, it's you have to clean it, you know what I mean? And it's very stainy, you know. How we used to do it in Jamaica, we used to actually beat it on the tree to get out the stain and then we eat it, you know what I mean? So we used to do it back in Jamaica. So she's gonna try the white support. White support. White support. This is a white support fruit. White support. Trying the white support. White support. How it is? It's good. It has a creamy taste. Creamy. Creamy and nice.
Like a mango.
Custard apple.
Like a mango.
Like a yeah, family. Our Jamaican sister trying the white support. Custard apple.